Mopar people, welcome back to the channel. I'm just Mopar Joe, and this is
Poor Boy's Garage.
This is Poor Boy's Garage with his beautiful Plymouth Roadrunner. Tell me about the car, man.
So we got here a 69 Plymouth Dragcar now.
That's
pulled
right.
out of Ed Miller's place up in Virginia. Pulled it pretty much exactly how you see it. I tried to leave nothing unturned, or should I say turned, and tried to leave it exactly how I found it. So the only thing we did change, we put a 6-pack hood on it. It was originally a roller. There was nothing in it, but it was pretty much a drag car its whole entire life.
Yep.
Pulled it out of the mud, and had no intentions of ever doing a drag car because I'm more of a street hot rodder.
Yep.
And No Name Nationals comes along, and I said, wouldn't it be awesome if we could get some money together and bring this to No Name Nationals? So that's a wrap, and that's exactly what happened.
Awesome.
Here we go.
So I'm silly enough to call this dude out for a drag race. Not because I don't think I'm going to win, but it'll be fun to race with him. So.
Oh, no doubt. And I remember Mopar Joe, he's nostalgic, so it's an honor for me.
Dude, this guy's awesome. Check out his channel, Poor Boy's Garage, if you have not. Let's go race. Seems a little bit odd that a car that runs 720s is outrunning big block 440 cars. Brad didn't know that I had a little secret up my sleeve here, so let's check it out just real quick. Pop the old hood here. You'll see all my cool stickers from the event. I try to put everybody's on here that I could fit at the time. Yeah, I've been kind of, a lot of people didn't notice in my other videos. You can go back and try to peek a little bit, but there's a black line running down to the great equalizer here, Mr. Zex. So I figured on day 2 of the event, I'd go ahead and open up the laughing gas and see what kind of fun I could have. I appreciate Brad for racing me. Super great dude. If y'all hadn't checked his channel out already, go there and subscribe and watch videos. I mean, he's a good guy. He does good content. I'm going to do a totally separate video on the install of this and the times in ET change and all that happened because of the nitrous. So I appreciate y'all watching. And again, Poor Boy's Garage. We'll catch y'all next time.